Hi everyone, this is Niloy. Welcome back to our Dart programming tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will discuss about while loop. Basically, to execute a program for while loop, we need to put a condition and we need to handle the condition inside the loop. So now let's start the programming. As we can see that we have declared a variable and initialized it with a value 1 here. And after that, we put a condition here inside the while in the while loop, and it prints dart programming here 10 times, and we increase the value of I here inside the while loop to handle the condition here. When it finds this condition false, and then it stop executing the program. Now if we want to see the value of I here, then we need to print I here, and we can see that the value of I here, when it finds the value I equal to 10, it means not less than 10, it stop executing here. Let's check another program here. As we can see that we have increased the value of I every time with 100. So now let's execute the program, and we can see that 100, 200, 300, and here we have we can see that the value of I here in the output section. Now let's check another program. we will check that how much vowel in this string here. So now let's execute the program. So now let's count the vowel here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we can see the output here is 4. Basically, we put a condition inside the while loop. When it's fine a, e, I, o, u here, then it will increase the value of count here, and after that we print it here outside of the loop here to see the value of vowel count here. Basically, that's how the while loop works. We can use while loop in several cases. So for more practice, you can try even odd numbers, consonants value, uh, count of a string, and many more programming you can try by searching it in Google. You can search many more questions to practice the while loop, and you can execute your program to grow your skill in a better way. And also please practice more for while loop related programmings. Do not follow only this video series, but also follow other resources, especially official doc and other popular tutorial based websites. Read recommended books to learn in a best way. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.